Yep. Getting sprinkles over there, huh?
I think the clouds are getting grumpy.
Do you smell it? You can smell the rain coming.
Because it's water?
Oh yeah, it's about to start pouring on us. You can smell it. Holy Moses, I'm pretty sure I got that lightning on film.
Let me see.
Hold on just a second. Maybe I'll get another one real quick. Sprinkles, sprinkles. Oh, I wasn't pointing in the right direction for that one. Man, they're like lightning to ground strikes. I hope they don't hit our house. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be lucky enough to get any more. It's all been in, like, over there, over there.
Over there.
Like the whole Seymour, Knoxville area.
Whoa. I saw.
Towards
I
Sevierville.
saw that big lightning thing.
Did you?
Yeah.
Cool.